Welcome to Stretcher Bar Warehouse's show and tell on how to produce extra long bars without the extreme expense of shipping. Additionally, the strength of a spline acts like layers of plywood. Since it's in the middle of a super long bar, a mid-brace would add another dimension of strength, although you might elect to set braces on each side of the midline junction. We're going to show this from two angles in the demonstration. So, let's get started. We're going to start by discussing the junction of the two halves of the bars. Smearing somewhat light coats of wood glue is first in line. Here's a suggestion. Place wax paper under the bars. After laying a healthy layer of wood glue in the channel and a light layer of glue on the spline, we push the spline down as glue squishes out all sides. You'll want some paper towel handy, along with the spritzer. It's a good time to clean up the exposed glue before we clamp. You're probably thinking, this takes a lot of time, but overacting gestures here and there are making it seem that way. Please, don't tell them I said this. We're using 3 clamps in this demonstration, but one in the center is sufficient to hold the union of the two bars. Once clamped, we push the bars together and then slide a piece of something you know is straight, settles against the backside to assure the extension is dead on. The two side clamps close a minute gap a fingernail could barely enter. But it's left for overachievers to decide to make that decision. The second demonstration starts by showing you a better look at the spline. When we send a set to you, the two bars and spline will denote marked pairing, although they all should be equal. This short demo is essentially the same as the first, but from a different perspective. Once the spline is set, it may be level or very slightly below the level of the bars. It doesn't matter at this point. Once the glue dries, this section of the bar is far greater in strength due to the plywood effect. Before we end this, make sure you're working on a level surface. Being off a little with very long bars won't be an issue. Once you think the glue has semi-set, you can slip off the two side clamps while leaving the middle one in place, while you move to your next set. If you have any question, give Jim a call at 805-440-3430. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.